Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Instagram notification sounds. Let's get started. Now for this video, you need to go to your settings. You're going to scroll down a bit and then look for something which says apps. So we're going to press on apps and then press apps again. Then you will search up Instagram. There you go. Now what we need to do is look for something which says notifications. So we're going to press on that as well. And there are many notification types: accepted follow requests, alerts, comment likes, comments, first post stories, friends on Instagram, likes, like videos, mentions in bio. We're going to use comments. So as you can see here, it says notification sound and it says silent. So we're going to press on that. So now you can just choose the type of sound that you want to use as your notification sound. So I can use bell, bird song, chess, bongo, drip, echo, and there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.